fire chief of captain of the pink fire chief. It's not a girl, he's a boy. It's Spiky. Okay. Yes. You don't want to be captain anymore. He does not want to be captain anymore with his pink cap. Okay. See, he just broke the cap. Wow. Well, at least I got pictures of him. So you're just gonna sit over there.
Jesse,
just
Nicole,
gonna sit over there now. Just gonna sit over there.
I'm going down. I guess Monday I'll go down and
just
talk to that one guy.
Okay.
He just got the membership yesterday too. I forgot about him.
He looks so cute.
What's his name?
Even though he broke the. Look, you broke the string.
He's in St. Louis.
Who cares?
Area.
Broke the string. You broke the string. String.
Anyway. Okay. Yeah, I'm hoping they're showing.
Yeah, you broke the string. Yeah, captain of polices.
Right. You're gonna be on the road, right?
No. This is my hat.
I call with Taylor. I'll call up Taylor, make sure he's home.
No.
You'll be able to talk for a second. Okay, let me call him right now. See if I can get a hold of him. And, I'll give you a call. That way you can talk to him. Because I need to introduce you to Taylor. If I haven't already.
Yeah, you want it so bad you can't have it. It's mine. This is nice covering. Taking a video of Spiky.
What? Taking
a video of Spiky. He's already ripped the string off my police hat. But I got pictures of him. He looks so cute. Now he won't even let me do it on. Hold on 1 second, Spiky. Spike. Oh. He's got my eye on me. He said he got his eye on me. He's watching me. This morning, he woke me up. He was licking my hand. Then I told him to get on the bed, so he did. Then I pet him. Then he laid down, then I still petted him. Daddy, what day is this?
Saturday.
It's Saturday, and Saturday, July. Yeah, buddy, boo. Yeah, you little buddy. Like sit on the ear. Okay.
You gotta be quick because I gotta do a business call.
Okay. Come on, Spiky, let's go upstairs. Ready to go up? Fire chief. Come on. Hey, Grandpa.
Yeah.
Spiky broke the string off my fire chief hat, but I got lots of pictures with him on my fire chief hat. Yeah. Spiky looked funny. I still got ya. So you're just gonna sit there? Just Spiky. Just gonna sit there. Like that. So you're going to sit the other way. Okay. Thank you. Hey, Spiky, do you want me to shut off the video? Here's my little pillow cushion. Pillow cushion. Little pillow cushion. Little pillow cushion. Look, look. Hang on, where did I get? Where's this after set? 1 second, I'll use this. Oh, okay, it's back on. Okay, as you see, if we can do this right, Spiky, I'm going to lay on Spiky. If you're looking at the sky, okay. See Spiky? See Spiky right here? I'm going. This is me and Spiky. Spiky, come back. Huh? We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. Okay. Of course, we just got Spiky, but let me take a picture. A picture of you and me. I didn't have to do that. Okay, that's my dad. He's watching Harry Potter.
Bloody hell. Excellent. But where's Hermione?
I don't think I'm going. You go without me.
Hermione, are you okay?
Just go. You're wasting time.
Light blue, light blue, light blue.